Today we are mostly dodging bommies.
Yeah, we're coming across the lagoon. We're only going about 5 miles, but it's the Garmin chart is as good as useless, and Navionics, in fairness, in about 5 minutes just turns into a big massive blue as well. So it's a case of look out the window and try not to hit anything. So we're going quite slowly. It's not the best day. We haven't got bright sunlight, but we have got some light, so we're just keeping a careful eye as we wend our way across the lagoon.
Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to be notified of future episodes.
Just stunning. Alright, well, this calls for a swim. Look at it. Me and the fish are gonna go and hang out. I'm coming in, fish. Here I come.
Daydreaming feels like I'm fading away, and I wonder why no one ever stays. How am I supposed to spend my days when all I wanna do is feel? Reaching out for something that is real. Babe, I'm trying to heal. I wanna run with you, run away, just run away and leave this world behind us. I wanna run with you, run away, just buy a ticket and I see you on the next bus. Oh, daydreaming, we're filled with too much doubt. Daydreaming, how do we find a way out?
We have moved anchorages. We were out yonder. It was very sloppy. So we've come in next to the resort and it's much nicer.
This tiny eco-resort has 5 basic cabins and a large communal dining area, all built in the local style. We were made extremely welcome by the owner Derek and his 2 guests Ken and Steve, with whom we became good friends.
Well, the joys of trying to get onto the internet when we're in the arse end of nowhere in Kiribati. We can actually pretty much see the cell phone tower from here, but yeah, it doesn't stretch this far. So I've got 4 bars of E on 2G, which is only just dropped in. Randomly we have sort of no service at all. So I'm trying to load our YouTube page so I can publish the video and then copy the link over to Facebook. And it's proving a time-consuming exercise. I've been waiting for this page to load for about 12 minutes now, so patience is key. The things we do to bring you a YouTube video. Dave's looking nice and clean.
Yeah.
We're off snorkeling. With Ken and Steve, we're going out in the big fast boat. See if we have more success than we did yesterday. Fins. Master snorkels. Let's go and meet the boys. So this is Ken.
Hi.
And this is Steve. And they're two reprobates. We think they've actually been released from prison and they've been sent over here. But they are staying at, what's this resort called?
Teirio Island Retreat.
With Derek, who isn't here. We'll have to interview Derek on a different
we're
day.
actually evading the inland revenue.
That's what they're doing here. Anyway.
Christmas at least.
they're- It's Vincent, isn't it? Show us your fingers. This is why you never put your hand in a hole, isn't it, Vincent? Yes.
And what did Grandad say?
Don't put your hand in the hole.
The water on the western side of the atoll was absolutely gin clear, so it was a bit of a shame that the coral wasn't in better shape. No matter, Darren the drone had a fabulous time.
Merry Christmas Eve, my angel.
Merry Christmas. We are celebrating by cooking.
We are. We're getting ready for the traditional lentil loaf that we
Yes.
have for Christmas Day.
So we have the lentils are cooked, the mushroom is ready. We've got some almond flour that we've just made, some linseed that I'm making into a floury thing as well.
We know all the
And
technical terms.
yeah.
The mushrooms are dried, obviously. Because we don't have any fresh mushrooms. We haven't seen them in many a long time.
no, but I think we've got most of the stuff apart from celery, which isn't a big loss. to be
No, just
honest.
leave it out. We haven't got it, we just leave it out.
Yeah, so that, and then we've got some potatoes and veggies and maybe a bit of gravy, you know, something nice and warming.
Well, it'll be a lovely lunch tomorrow.
It will be. It will
And
be.
look, Christmas tree lights are on because it's quite dark, isn't it?
Yeah, there is.
Why is it quite dark?
It's pissing down. There is a front coming through. We've had 20 knots overnight, so we're hoping it'll clear up later this afternoon, and then it should be hopefully a nicer day tomorrow. So
And we're not in a particularly well protected anchorage, are we? So we're bouncing
No.
about a bit.
I don't think there are many protected anchorages in Abaiang, so we're just making the best of it.
Never mind. On with the preparations for the luxurious lentil loaf.
Indeed.
And there it is. The finished article. Ready to go in the oven tomorrow with its tomato glaze. And allegedly, and it has every other year, when it comes out, it'll look like that. Well, indeed, it's the rain has stopped for a little while, so it's all good. Oh, that dropped out. You still there? What you cooking, Mr. Birch?
A pineapple upside down cake.
Yay! Which we're going to have as our Christmas cake.
Lots of cinnamon and allspice. It's going to be really Christmassy.
It smells lovely already, and there's no baking even started yet. I'm very excited. So the cake's out of the oven.
It is.
Pineapple upside down cake needs to be flipped. Flip away. It's exciting. Invert.
Slightly nerve-wracking.
Just pop it down, it'll be fine. It smells great. Ooh, zoom in. Zoom in for the close-up.
Do a big reveal.
Pineapple. Upside down cake. Oh my lord. Yeah, baby. Pleased with that?
Not bad for a first attempt.
First time I've had cake in ages as well.
Yeah, it's a good one.
I'm excited.
Yeah, with custard.
Oh man, it's going to be awesome.
It's going to be incredible.
Making the effort with our Christmas table. Cheers, my darling.
Cheers!
A very Merry Christmas
Very
to you.
Merry Christmas to you too.
Love you heaps.
You too.
Thank you so much for watching. Please leave us a comment and give us a thumbs up below if you enjoyed the video. If you'd like to support our adventures, you can buy us a coffee over on our Ko-fi website, and the link is in the description below.